Now look at this question. Axis of parabola lies along x-axis. Okay, so your axis of parabola is along x-axis. So let's try to draw the diagram. Suppose this is the axis of the parabola. Okay, its vertex, so its vertex and focus are at a distance of 2 and 4 from the origin. Okay, so your axis of parabola can be like this as well as that. Okay, and they are talking about distance of vertex and focus on positive x-axis. Okay, so look at this. So why I thought that this is the correct diagram, because look at this. First they are talking about vertex, so vertex distance is smaller and focus distance is greater. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, in that case also we will have same thing. So you will have two diagrams. We will go with this one. Okay, ठीक है, on positive x-axis. So this is the correct diagram. Now look at this. So look at this situation. So suppose that this is the focus, this is the vertex. So according to them, vertex is at 2 unit distance. So can I say it is 2, 0? Because it's on x-axis. The focus is at 4 distance. So can I go with 4, 0? Can you please tell me this point? You know that this distance and this distance is same, correct? Because the locus of point, so P will move along this thing, na? Okay, so somewhere it will touch that point. Okay, so this distance PS and PM will become equal. Okay, so this thing will become what? 0, 0. You will apply midpoint theorem. So 4 plus x by 2 equals to 2. So 2, 2, 4. So 4, 4 gone. So it's 0. Okay, so 0, 0. So can I say that directrix is x equals to 0 because it is perpendicular on x-axis. Okay, you have to find out equation of this curve, and then which of the following point does not lie on it. So now first find out equation of curve, and then you will substitute the points. Okay, substitute the points in the options, and then you have to mark the correct, you have to select the point which is not lying on the curve. Okay, so this is important. So first we will find out equation of curve. So look at this. I am assuming a point on this parabola h comma k. You know that this distance PM distance should be equal to PS distance, है ना? Like this was the definition, na? PS by PM should be equal to 1. Then only it is parabola. Okay, so go with PS. So root over h minus 4 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square PM. So distance of a point from the line. So it is point satisfaction upon root over a square plus b square. Okay, so do you know any method by which you can get rid of this square root as well as mod? Yes, squaring both sides. So it is h square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and then k square is equal to h square. So this thing gone. So write down this thing in standard form. You know that you have to replace h with x, k with y. So y square minus 8x plus 16. So we got this as the curve. Okay, now you have to substitute your point and you have to mark the wrong, you have to select the point which is not lying on this curve. I hope idea is clear.